Hello, so my name is Isabella, and today I'm going to show you my favorite website. So, I just found this website, and I think that it is such a cool website. So, it is called mapcrunch.com. So this website is super cool. There's two components which I'll show. So this is like a randomized Google Map Street View. So they take, developments or pictures from Google Maps, as you can see right here, and it's just like a randomized area that you can see, and then it shows like the day, which I think is really cool because sometimes like you always wonder when was this taken, and then the exact location. So you can choose exactly where, not like exactly where, but pretty much where you want. And like in regular Google Maps, you can like browse. And I think it's super cool that like there you can see a harbor here. It makes you wonder how this was taken because usually you see the cars, but like since there's this view, it's like, really interesting. I think it's cool that you can see these people. Like there's this guy looking at the camera. Yeah, really cool. And then you can share options, you can, like I said, and then you can look at another place. And this is insane to me that this is the inside of a mall. This looks like maybe Vegas. Let me see. I don't know why it's not showing where it is. But yeah, that's my website.